Hi everyone here. This episode is a very interesting project. I used to be into driving games for PlayStation for a while, but now I don't play the games very well and I don't have a PlayStation. Only pedals and wheels are left. I suddenly thought it would be fun to use pedals as a MIDI controller. I typed Logitech DrivingForceGT schematic in Google, and I was able to get a pin out of the D-sub connectors of a pedal. I'm going to use Raspberry Pi Pico this time. Pin out is as follows. There are 3 ADCs, I2C, SPI, UART, and general purpose in and out pins. This should be enough. While I'm making it, I'll attach a fader slider. I'll add a display too. It's a model called OLED 128X96 and it's very cheap. And there are buttons with LED lights that roll around, so I'll put them on. I roughly drew a circuit diagram with an application called Fritzing. It's as follows. Let's get started. Because I don't know pin out of this potentiometer, so I had to check out all the pins. Okay, I got all. You can use any breadboard or prototype board. But I have a UART prototype board roll around here, so I use it.
보고 싶어져 네가 내 귀에가 속삭여줄 때마다 네가 나를 꽉 안아줄 때마다 날 만져줄 때마다 나 어떻게 정신줄을 놔버리잖아 I'm missing you tonight 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 I'm missing you
지금 와서 나를 안아줘 My baby boo 불안해하는 날 안아줘 내게 변덕 부린 것도 싫은 소리 한 것들도 겁이 많아서 그러니까 나를 놓지 말고 꽉 안아줘 당장 네가 필요해 I'm missing you tonight
정말 짜증나 잘난 것도 없으면서 말이야 정말 매번 날 애타게 하기야 나 지는 기분이야 나 지는 기분이야 내가 지는 기분이야 네가 내 귀에다 속삭여
Okay, all soldering is done. Then, let's test to see if the signal is working well. You must obtain 3 ADC values, 2 pedals and 1 slider. I use a program called Pocket MIDI as a monitoring program, but it doesn't matter. Slider is good. Value 0 to 7F hex. It's 0 to 127 in decimal. Slider is okay. Then let's test a pedal. Zero to 7F. Good. One hundred 27 is good. Pedal 1 is okay. Pedal 2 is okay. Good. Simultaneously, it's all okay. Good. It's all okay. Then open the Logic Pro X and make the one channel. Choose trombone. We have to assign this pedal to trombone's expression. It's here. Expression 11. Okay. Sounds good. Good expression. And then let's assign the slider to main volume fader. Okay, this. To this, you have to left click on the slider. Okay, perfect. Then let's make the guitar track, and I will assign the pedal to wow wow. Choose some preset. Dry, clean, clean, dry, clean, reverb. Okay. And open the pedal board. And select the wow wow. You can check it with a mouse. Yeah. Then you have to click here and click Command L. Yeah. Wow, 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 wow. Good. Wow. Let's play some track. I am not a guitarist, but isn't it useful? In the next episode, I will upload the code written here and how to flash on Raspberry Pi Pico. If you like this content, please subscribe and like it. Bye.